Welcome, in front of me is OPPO A5m, and in this video I will show you what to do if your touchscreen is poorly responsive. So the first reason why it might be is because your screen protection is too thick or low quality. So first of all, consider removing your screen protection and check if this touchscreen works better without it. Now the other way, now after that, of course, after removing the screen, you can also try wiping the screen of your phone with a dry towel or a piece of cloth and check if it helps. Sometimes it helps, but usually the problem lies deeper. Next thing that you can do is force restart your phone, and to do that, hold down the power key and the volume up button for a while until your phone goes off. Okay. And once it vibrates and starts rebooting, wait until it restarts and see if it helps. Now, once your phone is restarted, see if it helped resolve your issue. But in case it didn't, what you should do is put your device into safe mode, and to do that, you should force restart your phone just like we did before by holding down the volume up key and the power button for a while until your phone starts rebooting. And then once you see the OPPO logo, once your phone starts booting up again, press and hold the volume down key for a while, right up to the point when it fully boots up. We have to do this to ensure that no background applications affect your touchscreen, or that your phone isn't lagging. But generally the phone should work much better in the safe mode. So wait for a while. Okay, and once your device boots into the safe mode, you will see an indicator in the bottom left corner of your screen telling you that you are in a safe mode. And right here, check if your touch screen improved. And if it didn't, if you can use your touch screen somehow, maybe it's just poorly responsive, you can try to go to settings and check for the system and update, software update, and check if it has any updates to install. And if it does, take your time to download and install them. But in case you can't do this, or in case it doesn't help first, you can go to backup and reset phone and erase all data from your device. Now, in case you cannot do this, you have two options to consider of how you can erase all data. So basically perform a factory reset of your device. Of course, it will remove all data from your phone, but this really might help you solve your problem. So the first solution, basically the first way to perform a factory reset on your device is by force restarting it by holding down the power button and volume up key for a while, just like we did before. Keep holding it, and right now start holding the volume down button before the logo appears on your screen and keep holding it. Wait for a while. Okay, and right now using volume down key to move down and volume up to move up, you have to select English and press English with power button, and then select format data using your power button again. I'm not gonna do this. I will select reboot device and restart the phone, but generally this is one of the ways of how you can perform factory reset operation without using a touch screen. And the other one, if this one is unavailable for you too, is using remote access to your phone. If you have a Google account connected to your device and you didn't disable Find My Device feature on your phone, you can enter Find Hub website using any other device that you own. Log into the Find Hub service using your Google using your email that is connected to this smartphone, then selecting this device on the list of all devices and selecting factory reset, and this way you can also perform a factory reset operation on your phone. And after that, see if it helped resolve your issue, and if it did, then unfortunately the last thing that I might suggest is that you can contact OPPO customer support service, tell them about your issue, and maybe if your warranty is still active, they can fix it for free. Maybe, and if it's not, then maybe you should pay some fare for it. You can also consider heading to the nearest repair center and telling them about your issue and letting them take care of your device and resolve your issue. They will 100% fix it, but for a respectful price. And generally speaking, that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.